Hello friend, today I will tell you the questions from ND examination 2019. The first question, what is the nth term of the sequence 25 minus 125, comma 625 minus 3125 dash dash. The option number first, minus 5 to the power 2n minus 1. Option number second, minus 1 to the power 2n into 5 to the power n plus 1. And third one, minus 1 to the power 2n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1. The fourth option, minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Let us start. At first, we need to understand which types of sequence is this, whether it is AP, GP or HP. If it is GP, and we have to check its common ratio. Common ratio are equal to any term divided by its previous term. 25 5s are 125 minus 5. Same way, if you will divide 625 by minus 125, you will get minus 5. Same way, if you will divide 3125 by 625, you will get minus 5. Now, you have to find out the nth term. As we know that nth term of GP, an equal to a r to the power n minus 1. Equal to, what is the a? A is the first term. First term a equal to 25. So therefore, an equal to 25 into r is minus 5 to the power n minus 1. So 25 means 5 square into minus 1 minus 5 to the power n minus 1. Right? Means minus equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1. You will rearrange it into 5 square into 5 to the power n minus 1. Right? Okay. Now, simplifying this, minus 1 to the power n into 5 to the power 2 plus n minus 1 equal to minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Therefore, your option number D seem to be correct. Minus 1 to the power n minus 1 into 5 to the power n plus 1. Hence, option D is correct. Question number second from NDA 2019. We have a relation from natural number to natural number. The relation between x and y denoted by x or y implies x square minus 4xy plus 3y square equal to 0. We have to find out which of the following is correct. Relation R for reflexive, S for symmetric, T for transitive. Option number B, relation is reflexive, transitive but not symmetric. Option number C, relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Option number D, relation is reflexive but not symmetric and not transitive. Now let us see how to solve this problem. At first I will check it for reflexive. Okay, just for a reflexive I will check it reflexive. If I will put here 1 and if I will put x equal to 1, y equal to 1, let us suppose x equal to 1, y equal to 1. We are putting 1 square, 4 into 1 into 1 plus 3 into 1 square equal to, you are getting 0. Same way, if I will put x equal to 2, y equal to 2, it means 2 square minus 4 into 2 into 2 plus 3 into 2 square equal to 4 minus 16 plus 12 equal to 16 minus 16 equal to 0. Hence, it indicates that the given relation is reflexive. Therefore, it is reflexive. Yes, it is reflexive. Now check it for symmetric. Okay, we can check it for symmetric if I will replace by if the relation will be if AB belong to BA, that is if if AB equal to BA, right? If AB belong to relation R, then BA must also belong to R, it means. Okay, for this, let us suppose we have a condition for a relation is x square 4xy plus 3y square, right? If I will change x by y equal to y square minus 4yx plus 3x square. Solve this one. 4xy cancel, and 3y square minus y square, 2y square equal to 3x square minus x square, 2x square, and 2 cancel, means y equal to plus minus x, because we have a given relation for natural number to natural number, means we are getting x equal to y for every value of x and y. It indicates that the given relation is satisfy the condition of symmetric, means AB, if AB belong to R, therefore BC also belong to R. Now come to the third point, transitive. This one for symmetric. Transitive, it a set is like as 1 1 2 2 3 3 dash dash. Since the set seem to like that, the relation set seem to like that 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 as x equal to y indicating. So we know that for such condition, if AB is available but BC is not present, AB is present but BC is not present, in that case the given relation will always transitive, means 1 1, AB is 1 1, BC is also 1 1, you can assume, and AC is also 1 1, right? Same before 2 2 3 3 4 4. This indicate that the given relation is transitive also. Hence, this is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. The option number C is correct. Question number 3rd from NDA 2019. We have determined our order 3 by 3 equal to 6 plus 11i. We have to find out the value of x and y. This problem is based on the complex number. Okay, we can expand this determinant in the respect of any row or column. Let us suppose I am expanding this determinant in the respect of the first column. X, you left first row and first column, you will get minus iota minus 2 iota square plus then minus y. You left second row and first column, you will get second row and first column minus 3 iota square minus 2 iota equal to 6 plus 11i. As you know that iota square equal to minus 1. So x minus iota minus 1 plus 2 minus I, y iota square equal to minus 1 minus 3 minus 2i equal to 6 plus 11i. Now simplify this. 2x minus x iota plus 3y plus 2y iota equal to 6 plus 11i. Okay. Now 2x plus 3y plus 2y minus x iota equal to 6 plus 11i. Now compare real and imaginary part in the both side. 2x plus 3y equal to 6. Question number first. 2y minus x equal to 11. This is equation number second. You can solve the value of x and y after simplifying these two equations, these two linear equations. You can also find out the answer from the option. You have given a 4 option. That is why I am putting x equal to minus 3 in any equation. X equal to from option. X equal to, you are putting x equal to minus 3, y equal to 4. Now put in equation first. 3 to the minus 6 plus and 3 into 4 equal to minus 6 plus 12. You are getting 6. Means it's satisfying the equation number first. You can put in also in equation number second. 2 into y 4 and minus x plus 2y 2 into y is, let's say y is 4 to the 8 and plus minus 3 4 to the 2 4 you are getting 2y minus x 2y minus x. 2 into y is, you put y 4 to the 8 minus x means plus 3. 8 plus 3 11 means you are getting right hand side 6 and 11. Hence option number A is correct. And second way, you can just solve after these two linear equation. Question number 4. We have a set of first 4 natural number and relation corresponding to this set are equal to 1 1 2 2 3 3 1 2 2 1 2 3 3 2. We have to check that the given relation is number first option reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Option number second not reflexive but symmetric and transitive. Option number third reflexive, not symmetric but transitive. Option number 4 reflexive but not symmetric and transitive. Okay, let us try to understand this one by one. Symmetric, reflexive, okay, since 1 1 belong to R, 2 2 belong to R, 3 3 belong to R, but 4 4 not belong to R, as one more element 4 available here. Since 4 4 does not belong to R, so this is not reflexive. Now come to the symmetry. The condition for the symmetric is if AB belong to R, then BA must belong to R. 1 1 AB belong to R, BA 1 1 belong to R, AB 2 2, its BA also 2 2 belong to R, 3 3 belong to R, its BA 3 3 also belong to R, 1 2 belong to R, then 2A also belong, 2 1 also belong to R, 2 3 belong to R, then 3 2 also belong to R. So it is symmetric. Now come to the third one, transitive. Okay, now check it. The condition for transitive, if AB belong to R, BC belong to R, then AC must belong to R. Check whether all elements satisfying this condition or not. 1 1 2 2 3 3. It will satisfy for 1 1 2 2 3 3. Right? 1 1 2 2 3 3. If any set having only these three conditions, 1 1, these three element 1 1 2 2 3 3, this relation will be reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. Now 1 2 AB is 1 1, BC is, let us suppose, 1 2, then AC is also 1 2, belong to R. Check it for AB is 2 2, BC is 2 1, then AC 2 1 also belong to R. Now AB is 1 2, BC is 2 3, but AC is 1 3, not belong to R. Now check it. Since 1 2 belong to R, BC 2 3 belong to R, implies AC 1 3 doesn't belong to R. Doesn't belong to R. So therefore it is not transitive, because it will not satisfy the condition of transitivity. If AB and BC are the element of, and I said that in case of transitivity, the AC must be element of the same relation. Now check it. Which option may be correct? No reflexive. No reflexive. Because here is reflexive, so this option is cancel. And no reflexive, here is reflexive, cancel. Now you can check it from option number second and fourth. Now second, no reflexive but symmetric and transitive, but not transitive. So this option also incorrect. Now the D1, reflexive, neither symmetric nor option number D, reflexive, uh, reflexive option. Okay, the condition is this, it is reflexive, no reflexive, symmetric, yes, and transitive, no. Means R cross ST, check it, R cross ST means it satisfies the condition of R cross no transitive, no, R cross S cross T, sorry, R cross S, R cross and T cross, check it, R cross and T cross. The option number R cross, not R cross and T cross, check it. Okay, I will write here R cross, option number 4, R cross and T cross, but this one. So option number 4th will be correct, because not reflexive, not transitive, but only symmetric. Hence option number D is correct. So thank you very much. I hope you will understand this question.